So today we study about the thyroid and antithyroid gland. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland which is located over trachea. The thyroid gland produces two hormones which are thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Here it is written that the two hormones tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine and triiodothyronine T3 is synthesized from the thyroid gland. Iodine is essential for the normal rate of hormone synthesis in the thyroid. Deficiency of iodine in our diet results in hypothyroidism, an enlargement of the thyroid gland commonly called goiter. If the hyposecretion of thyroid hormones, it results in hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is the deficiency of thyroid hormone which reduces metabolic function of the body. For the treatment of hypothyroidism, some drugs are used. One of the drugs is thyroxine. This is the structure of thyroxine and its nomenclature is 4-hydroxy 3,5-iodophenyl 3,5-diiodotyrosine. Similarly, if the secretion of thyroid hormone is in excess quantity, then it causes hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is the excessive secretion of thyroid hormone resulting in increase in the metabolic rate, heart rate and anxiety, and the person becomes lean and thin. The drugs used to treat hyperthyroidism are antithyroid drugs. Some of the antithyroid medicament are there, which is methicillin, propofol, thiamazole. If there is a hyposecretion of T3 and T4 in children, it can cause cretinism, which is low IQ, mental and physical retarded, and deaf mutism occur in children. But in adults, it can cause myxedema, which is low BMR, low basal metabolic rate, gain of weight, the person become obese, and failure to conceive. Simple goiter is a nutritional deficiency of iodine which is due to the deficiency of iodine. It is occur mainly in the hilly areas, and due to this there is an enlargement of thyroid gland. Then if hyperthyroidism occur in a person, then its BMR will increase, the person become lean and thin, heat intolerance. It is due to the thyroid tumor. So this is the medicinal chemistry of thyroid and antithyroid drug.